to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's Skill Matters, what we have for you is how to make gizzard with pepper sauce, and the delicious stuff you are seeing on the table is the result. Please, if you want to know how I came up with this beautiful result, sit back and keep watching. And please, to all my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome, and to you that has not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and drop your comment to encourage us. So let's get into making the gizzard with pepper sauce together. The recipes we have today for the gizzard with pepper sauce are our gizzard. This is chicken gizzard. You can feel free to use turkey gizzard if you so wish. For me, I am going to have cooked it and allow the first water from it to come out because I dislike the odor that comes out from a frozen gizzard. But because I don't want the video to be too long, I might not be showing all that. Okay? Yeah. This is my boiled royal bell pepper and my Scotch bonnet pepper blended together. This is my onion. I cut it into two different shapes. One for the seasoning of the pepper sauce, while the one I cut in ring shape is for garnishing. This is my cloves of garlic. These are the spices that I will be using. I'm going to divide each of them into two. Some for the seasoning of the gizzard, while the remaining ones will be for the pepper sauce. This is my complete seasoning. This is my curry powder. This is my salt. This is my seasoning cube. This is my dry rosemary. And lastly, this is my vegetable oil. This is my half-cooked gizzard. You remember I told you that I am going to pre-cook it to get rid of the smell. I'm done doing that, though I do not show it here. Just look at how clean it looks like now. Very clean. Right now, the next thing I want to do is to add my spices. This is my onion. I will divide it into two, some for the gizzard and some for the pepper sauce. These are other spices. I will also divide them into two, some for the gizzard and the remaining for the pepper sauce. I've introduced this recipe before now. If you want to get the measurements and the names of the recipe, hit the description box. Right now I add my water and I stir it very well until the spices and the gizzard blend together. After mixing it very well, I will then allow it to cook well, and please make sure the meat stock dry inside the gizzard to give it a good taste. After which you grill or fry the gizzard to a light dry consistency. Okay, I now cover my pot and allow it for 10 minutes to cook well. Guys, after 10 minutes, this is what I got. You can see how beautiful it looks like, and secondly, you can see that the stock has dried right to the gizzard. Now I will fry it, but might not be able to show it on the video to save time, but you can grill yours if you want. Right now I've preheated my vegetable oil for the pepper sauce, and I will add my garlic and I will stir, after which I add my onion. And I will stir very well to allow the juice from the onion to dry up. After which I will add the little stock from the gizzard, and I will add the blended boiled red bell pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper. And I will stir very well. After which I will add my seasoning cube and other spices that I remained when I was cooking the gizzard. I stir very well again, and then I will allow the sauce to dry for like 2 minutes. Right now I will check and balance the taste. You know, we like checking and balancing taste on this channel. Now I will add the gizzard I fried behind the seam, and I will stir it together with the pepper sauce. This is how I'll keep stirring it together to make sure that the gizzard and the pepper sauce blend together. Wow, this is lovely. This is good. After stirring it together, I will now add the remaining onion for garnishing. After which, I will stir a bit and turn off the heat because I wouldn't like the onion to overcook. The little work here is to stir the garnished onion with the pepper gizzard together. Remember that the pepper gizzard is off the heat. Now the gizzard and the pepper sauce is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Yeah, guys, this is the gizzard pepper sauce. As you can see, try this recipe and you will be happy you do. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.